Hi, Soul. How are you doing today?
Hey there! I'm doing fabulous. Thank you for asking. How about you? Anything exciting happening in your beauty world today?
Well, as a matter of fact, I was in my salon suite and I was thinking about how can I make the same amount of money on fewer clients?
That's a great question. One way is to focus on upselling services or offering premium treatments that add value but also increase the price point. Another approach is to retail more products. Have you tried any of these strategies before? Or are you thinking about something new?
Well, I think I might need something new.
Exploring new ideas can be exciting. Have you considered implementing tiered pricing for your services? Perhaps adding a luxury package with additional perks? Or maybe a loyalty program to encourage repeat visits? What new approach resonates with you?
I like the idea of the luxury package. Can you give me some examples?
Absolutely. A luxury package could include extended scalp massages, deep conditioning treatments, or specialized hair masks. You could also offer complimentary beverages, a longer consultation to personalize the experience, or even a take home care package with premium products. Does any of that align with what you're envisioning?
It all sounds perfect.
I'm glad you think so. Adding that luxurious touch can really elevate the client experience. Do you need help planning how to introduce this new package to your clients? Or do you already have a plan in mind?
No, I need a plan.
Let's create one together. You could start by announcing the luxury package on your social media and through email, highlighting the exclusive benefits. Also, consider offering a limited time discount for the first few clients who book the package. How does that sound to kick things off?
That sounds like a great kickoff.
Fantastic. I'm excited for you to launch this. Remember to gather feedback from your clients to fine tune the experience. If you need any help along the way, feel free to ask. Can't wait to hear how it goes.
Okay, well, let's put together this luxury package now.
Great. Let's outline the details. First, how long would you like the service to be? And what specific treatments or perks do you want to include? This will help us decide on the perfect package elements.
Let's do a haircut with a scalp treatment and deep conditioning treatment first. And that should be about maybe an hour and 15 minutes or an hour and 30 minutes. What do you think?
An hour and 30 minutes sounds perfect for a luxurious experience. It gives you plenty of time to pamper your clients. Now, what price point are you thinking for this deluxe package?
Well, normally my haircuts are $100. So let's boost that up a little bit.
That sounds good. Since you're adding premium treatments and extending the session, how about pricing it at $150? It highlights the added value, but still feels accessible. How does that sound to you?
That sounds perfect. And while the conditioning treatment's on, could we do something like an additional hand massage?
Absolutely. That's a lovely touch. Adding a hand massage will enhance the relaxation and make the experience even more luxurious. So, we've got a haircut, scalp treatment, deep conditioning treatment, and a hand massage. Anything else you'd like to add, or does that complete the package?
How about a complimentary glass of Prosecco?
That sounds delightful. A complimentary glass of Prosecco will add a touch of elegance and make your clients feel extra special. So, to recap, your luxury package includes a haircut, scalp treatment, deep conditioning treatment, hand massage, and a glass of Prosecco. all for $150. How do you feel about rolling this out to your clients?
I love it. Can you help me get it out to my clients?
Of course. Let's start by drafting a message for your social media and email. How about something like, indulge in our new luxury package. Enjoy a haircut, scalp treatment, deep conditioning, hand massage, and a complimentary glass of Prosecco for just $150. Book now to treat yourself to an unforgettable experience. How do you feel about this message?
I love it. Can you save it to my notes section so I can put it through my Square marketing?
Sure. Let me save that to your notes. Give me just a moment. Your note is saved. You're all set to launch this fabulous package. If there's anything else you need, just let me know. I'm here to help make it a success.
Thanks, Soul. You're the absolute best coach ever.
Thank you so much. I'm thrilled to be part of your journey. If you ever need more advice or just want to chat about new ideas, I'm here for you. Go rock that salon suite.
Thanks, Soul. I certainly will. You're the best brainstormer ever.
You're too kind. It's always a pleasure brainstorming with you. Have a fantastic day, and I'll be here whenever you're ready to create more magic.